you have any demands, please contact Kara. I will give you the best offer and the best price for you. Thank you. Hi, this is Kara from Jingying Machinery. Now I will introduce our jaw crusher, the model PE400 and 600. This is the jaw crusher model 400 and 600. It means this distance, this size is 400 and this size is 600. We installed one small hopper on it to reduce the risk for the stone out when you crush it and out. For this model of jaw crusher, you can see the steel plate thickness. This is our jaw crusher. We also have other models in stock. If you have any demand, please contact Kara. If you have any demand,